Dan, harapan. Sige, sabihin mo sa harap ko yan. Sabi niya, ito, verbatim quote to. Maiksi lang po ito. Please bear with me. Sabi niya, we are giving you the opportunity. I want to give Miss Cassandra Lee this Republic Act 6981.
I want to give to Miss Cassandra Leong this Republic Act number 6981 para for her to contemplate while she's in our custody.
Para for her to contemplate while she is in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti ito.
Kasi, basahin mo mabuti ito. We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa mga lawyer mo. Daily lamang ang gusto ng mga And I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases.
We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa lawyer mo. I mean, let's face it.
Why? Of course. We know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo yan si Atty. Topacio, ayun, ang daming banat kay Congressman Abante, ang daming banat kay Jinky Luistro, ang daming banat sa akin lingkod. So it's our time to get even, no?
They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course, we know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo naman si Atty. Topacio. So now, it's our time to get even. Can you imagine using the legislative bully pulpit to get even? Pahabain niya ng kaso para makuha niya lahat ng pera mo.
Alam mo, pahabain niya ang kaso para at least makuha lahat ng pera mo.
Okay, sige. Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.
That's why I challenged him and I challenge him again. Dan, harapan. Sige, sabihin mo sa harap ko yan. Ulitin mo sa harap ko. Huwag yung nagtatago ka dyan, tapang-tapang mo pag nasa kongreso ka eh. Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo rito. Ulitin mo sa harapan ko. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ito wag eh. Ayaw magsalita pag nasa labas. Nagtatago doon sa privilege niya. Oh. I challenge him again. Dan, harapan. Sige, sabihin mo sa harap ko yan.
Ayan, hinamo na ni Atty. Topacio.
Dan Fernandez, oh. Sabi niya, ito, verbatim quote to. Maiksi lang po ito. Please bear with me. Sabi niya, we are giving you the opportunity. The fastest way. He was addressing my client. Here kasi in aid of legislation kami. But of course, certain lawyers, no, law firm. Siyempre gusto nila mahabang proseso sa korte, di ba? You know that. Because ano yan, may bayad ng lawyers eh, di ba? I want to give Miss Cassandra Lee this Republic Act 6981 para for her to contemplate while she is in our custody. Kasi, basahin mo mabuti ito. We are helping you. Huwag kang maniwala sa lawyer mo. I mean, let's face it. They want to prolong your cases. Why? Of course, we know that. Kaya si Atty. Topacio, alam mo naman si Atty. Topacio. So now, it's our time to get even. Can you imagine using the legislative bully pulpit to get even? Pahabain niya ng kaso para makuha niya lahat ng pera mo. That's why I challenged him and I challenge him again. Dan, huwag kang magtago dyan sa likod ng parliamentary privilege. Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo rito. Ulitin mo sa harapan ko. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ito wag eh. Ayaw magsalita pag nasa labas. Nagtatago doon sa privilege niya. Oh. I challenge him again. Dan, harapan. Sige, sabihin mo sa harap ko yan. Huwag ka namang matakot sa akin. Ang liit-liit ko. May problema pa yung tuhod ko. Pero, ulitin mo sa harap ko. Huwag yung nagtatago ka dyan. Tapang-tapang mo pag nasa kongreso ka eh.
Ayan, hinamo na ni Atty. Topacio.
Ito ay, kasi kailangan ito, padalan pa yung tanggapan ni Congressman Fernandez bago i-file sa Ethics Committee. But pinirmahan ko na to, nanotaryohan ko na, pinapasok ko yung in-house notary namin ng alas 8 ng umaga para pag pinirmahan ko, masumpaan ko, and then he is the one on his way. Attorney Rafael Antonio Andrada will be the one to file this. Hindi naman po kailangang personal ako mag-file. For today, yes, it will be filed today. Kasi alam nyo, I just want to show some members of Congress that you cannot abuse your rights and privileges without encountering pushback. Ito ha, ikwento ko lang. Ngayon, umpisahan nila yung TRICOM hearing on guidelines daw on fake news. Kasi, eto, get this ha, get this. Kaya nila ginawa yung TRICOM na yon dahil may mga fake news daw na targeted against members of the Quadcom. Unang-una, kung alam mo ang iyong konstitusyon, you cannot do that. You cannot start legislation for the benefit of a particular class of people. That is class legislation that is prohibited under the Constitution. Hindi pwedeng gagawa kami ng batas para sa amin lang. That's unallowable class legislation. Gagawa ka ng batas, mag-iimbestiga ka dahil kinikriticize ang Quadcom. Saang planeta na naman pwede yan? Baka sa alternate universe. Hindi po pwede yun. If you make legislation, unless merong class legislation, but make criteria. You cannot make legislation just to benefit a particular set of people. Basahin nyo yung si Baroque. Sino yung apelido ni Baroque? Yung tracker na laging nagdidemanda sa Supreme Court. Yung against the Truth Commission na kinonstitute ni Noynoy. Sinabi niya to investigate the abuses during the Arroyo administration. You cannot do that. That is class legislation, and that law was struck down by the Supreme Court. Bakit i-concentrate mo sa criticism sa Quadcom? Meron bang kailangang batas pa? Meron na po tayong, we have the strictest libel law in the entire globe. In the entire world, tayo po yung pinapamahigpit na libel law. Isa tayo sa very few countries na criminalize pa ang libel. Meron pa tayong cyber libel. Meron pa tayong civil action under the Civil Code for defamation, fraud, and physical injuries, kung pwedeng humingi ka ng danyos for civil libel ang tawag doon. Ano pang kailangan mong batas? Bago sasabihin nila, tatawagin daw nila yung mga representatives sa social media platforms, TikTok, X, Meta, di ba? Titignan nila kung anong guidelines against criticism ng Quadcom. That is prior restraint that is also prohibited under the Constitution. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kung ikaw ay mambabatas, magpasa ka naman ng batas o magpaturo ka ng batas sa nakakaintindi sa batas. Hindi pwedeng puro Google. Hindi pwedeng puro Google. Mahirap po ang batas. Kaya nga 4 na taon namin pinag-aaralan yun. Yung iba may bumabagsak pa nga. Uulit-ulit. After namin mag-aral ng 4 years ng bachelor's degree, mag-aaral na naman kami ng another 4 years ng batas. Magre-review pa kami ng 6 na buwan bago maging abogado. Kung sasabihin mo, makukuha sa Google yung sagot, hindi po. That is prior restraint. That is censorship. That is an abomination in a democratic government. Censorship. Kaya nga wala na yung Board of Censors, di ba? That is prior restraint. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yun. Ngayon, uubusin mo na naman yung pera ng gobyerno. Paglalagay ka na naman ng batas na useless, na pagdating sa Korte Suprema, i-strike down for being unconstitutional. Yung EJK nila, anong lumabas? Gumawa sila ng bill against EJK, hindi na naintindihan. Lahat ng killing ay EJK, basta hindi in-order ng court. Dinefine mo yung EJK, nakakatawa ka. Sinabi mo, pag government official, ay dapat life imprisonment kung EJK. Nasa batas na eh. Pagka ikaw yung public official, ikaw yung nagpapatay, qualified na. Life imprisonment na. Sinasabi nila, pag may reward system, life imprisonment, price, reward, or promise qualifies a killing to murder. Life imprisonment na yun, even without that bill. See? Nagsayang sila. Pinakain pa kami ng katakot-takot na Jollibee ron. Wala naman nangyari. Ang batas mo, kabote. Kakatawa yung batas na yun. Pisahin nyo. There is nothing in that bill. Hindi pa pala batas. There's nothing in that bill that does not already exist in our system of laws. Wala. Kasi nga, sa Google nag-aral ng batas. Hindi pwede yung nagtitext, yung communicate, katulad ng ginagawa nila kay Grijaldo. Because you're polluting the witness. You should not do that. Talagang brazen eh. You know why? Because the present leadership of the House has cultivated a culture of impunity. Lahat pwede na.
Siguro para malito rin sa ano, I'm sure na-brief na ninyo eh. Nililito.
Oo, ginugulo eh. Bago magagaling ka pagka sinasabihan ng abogado na wag sumagot, karapatan po yun eh. Are you arguing against a constitutional right? Di mag-constitutional convention ka o constitutional commission o whatever, di ba? At tanggalin mo yung provisions of Bill of Rights ng right to counsel sa legislative inquiries. Tapos, but as long as that provision is standing there, every lawyer should defend that provision.